The IRS legally owes you up to $2,000 this year, and it's specifically for upgrading your home heating system before winter. But your contractor is absolutely not going to tell you about it, because they want to sell you whatever old inventory they have in stock. I am talking about a massive dollar-for-dollar tax credit. It's completely legal, and it's buried inside Section 25C of the tax code. Thanks to the recent Inflation Reduction Act, you are guaranteed a 30% credit on a new wood or pellet stove. And here is the first secret that most homeowners completely miss. The 30% doesn't just apply to the stove itself, it applies to the entire project. The piping, the venting, and the professional labor. Let's break down the exact math so you don't lose money. If your new pellet stove costs $3,000 and the labor and installation cost another $3,600, your total invoice is $6,600. 30% of that wipes nearly $2,000 straight off your tax bill. If you owe the IRS exactly $2,000, this single upgrade brings your tax debt down to zero. Keep in mind, this is a non-refundable credit. It erases what you owe. Now, before I show you the fatal mistake that gets these claims denied, if I just helped you find $2,000, please hit that like button right now. It tells the algorithm to share this exact loophole with other homeowners. Okay, let's talk about the fatal mistake thousands of people make. You cannot just go to a hardware store and buy the cheapest stove. To qualify, the law strictly requires the stove to be highly efficient. It must have a thermal efficiency rating of at least 75%. But here is where shady manufacturers will try to scam you. They will advertise something called LHV, or lower heating value. The IRS does not care about LHV. If you submit that, you get nothing. The rating must be based on HHV, the higher heating value. Before you swipe your credit card, you must check the official EPA database. Furthermore, you absolutely need one specific document. It is called the Manufacturer's Certification Statement. If you ever get audited by the IRS, this piece of paper is your only shield. Your installer should hand this to you on the day of installation. If they don't have it, do not buy the stove. No certificate, no money. Later in this video, I will show you how to get a pre-approved list. But first, let's talk about the actual paperwork you need to file. Come tax season, you are going to file IRS Form 5695. This is the Residential Energy Credits Form. You will specifically look at Part 2, under the section for biomass stoves. You do not need to attach your receipts to your tax return, but you must keep them in your personal files for at least 3 years. Now, let's talk about eligibility, because there are strict rules. This credit is only valid for your existing primary residence. You cannot claim this on a rental unit, an Airbnb, or a vacation home. It must be the home where you live for the majority of the year. It also does not apply to brand new constructions. It must be an existing home. However, the home doesn't have to be a traditional brick-and-mortar house. Manufactured homes and mobile homes absolutely qualify under this law. If you are freezing in a mobile home, this is your ticket to a cheap upgrade. Now, I promised you a secret hack, the ultimate tax loophole. But real quick, if you want to learn more real estate and tax secrets like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post new money-saving hacks every single week. All right, let's talk about the ultimate loophole hidden in the new tax law. It's called the annual reset, and it can save you tens of thousands of dollars. Before the recent update, lifetime limits restricted how much you could claim. You used to get $500 once in your life, and that was it. But not anymore. This $2,000 credit now resets. It resets every single year, all the way until 2032. This means you can strategically stagger your home upgrades. You can extract maximum money from the government year after year. For example, you can install a qualifying pellet stove this year. You file your taxes and claim your $2,000. Then, wait until January of next year. Next year, you install a heat pump or upgrade your insulation. You file your taxes again, and you claim another $2,000. The year after that, upgrade your electrical panel or exterior doors. If you plan it right, you can legally pull thousands of dollars out of your tax liability. You are basically forcing the IRS to pay for your home equity. But remember, the strict 75% efficiency rule always applies. Finding a stove that meets this rule can be absolutely exhausting. Salespeople will lie to your face just to close a deal today, and digging through the EPA database takes hours of technical reading. That is exactly why I took the time to do the heavy lifting for you. I compiled a completely free, easy-to-read cheat sheet. It includes a list of top-rated, IRS-approved wood and pellet stoves. These are models that are guaranteed to qualify for the $2,000 credit. It also includes the exact questions you must ask your contractor. Ask these questions before signing any estimates or handing over a deposit. The link to download this cheat sheet is right down in the description. It's completely free, and it will save you from making a $2,000 mistake. Go download it right now before you start your winter renovations. Protect yourself from shady contractors and protect your wallet from the IRS. Before you go, I want to hear from you in the comment section below. What is your main source of heating right now, and how much is your winter bill? Drop your answers down below. I will be reading and replying to them. If you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Check out the video on screen right now to see how to slash your property taxes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.